to the house because I know I have a lot of things to do. Like I need to cook, and yeah, I need to do some school too, and yeah. But I'm trying to avoid going back to the house. At the same time, I don't want to go, like, if I don't go to the house, then probably I might go thrifting, and I don't want to spend money buying unnecessary stuff, and also I want to go window shopping because I'll end up buying something else that is unnecessary. So yeah, I don't know if I should go to Dollar Tree because I've been wanting to. Sorry about the noise. I'm still at the car wash. I don't know if like I said, I want to go to Dollar Tree because I want to look for paint brushes. Oh my god, this car is done now. Anyway, so yeah, I want to buy paint brushes because I want to start a painting hobby. Actually, I bought canvas like many months ago, but I haven't started painting. So I need some brushes, some small brushes. I don't know if they have them, but I can go and check it out. But after that, I don't know, like, I don't know, I might go back home because right now it's like 3:30 p.m. So yeah, so stay tuned. So they're doing some construction here, but the mall where I stay is not like wow, so mall is small. But yeah, so right now I'm going to Barnes and Noble. I want to check some recipe books, and yeah.
But I am down with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little skinny little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows.
Well, I window shopped in the mall and didn't buy anything. So at the same time, it's scorching hot. Like, I kid you not, like it's so hot. Like, yeah, right now it's like almost 5, so I'm gonna head to Dollar Tree, and then I'm not sure if I can go thrifting. I don't know. I'll see. Smoothie, sorry, pineapple mango lemonade, and the 4-piece chicken nuggets. Barbecue, please. Yeah, that's all. So I'm done with Goodwill, and I took my time looking for stuff. Like the paint brushes that I found, they were like hidden. One thing about stuff is you find them, like the one thing that you really want, you find it in like a weird place. So these are the brushes that I found, and yeah, I started looking for other stuff, but this time I wasn't too lucky. I don't know if I can call this lucky because I found this small purse. It's like it's never been used. It's a fossil purse, and like it has a detailing on the actual zip and inside, like I bought it for $8. That was like quite expensive, but when I looked online, that purse would have been like $60 online. So, and I like the color. And then I also bought this cute backpack. It was cheap, it was $6. And those are the honest things that I bought from Goodwill, but I did spend like almost 2 hours 30 minutes just looking for stuff. One thing about thrifting is like treasure hunting, so you're like looking for stuff through people's trash that is now being resold. Crazy. And yeah, you find like these golden nuggets. The other time I found a clock that cost $45, and that clock I bought it for $3. Like that was like a steal for me. So yeah, now I'm just gonna head back home. I'm supposed to take a walk because I don't go to the gym on weekends, but we'll see, because I have to cook. And also, yeah, and I'm just trying to avoid going back to the house. I don't like being in my house. It's not nice. My room doesn't get sunlight. I just don't like being in the house. So once I leave the house, I'll try to find stuff to do. Like today I ended up window shopping. Now I'm out here thrifting and stuff. So I'm trying to change things, honestly. Honestly, I really want to change stuff. Like I want to have outdoor activities or something that I can do outdoor without me spending money, because look, now I just came here for thrifting and I already spent like $17, you know. So yeah, I really need to, like, I'd stopped thrifting actually, because there was a time where like whenever I'm bored I just come thrifting. Whenever I'm bored I just go and buy, like maybe I see a random TikTok, maybe recipe or whatever, and then I'm like, oh, let me go to the store and get it. Because that's the thing, when you see stuff on TikTok, you can actually literally drive yourself to the place and buy that thing. So that was like with me. And also like sometimes when I go to Costco, I find myself buying like unnecessary food, you know, things that I'm not planning on, that I didn't budget to cook, you know, that sort of thing. So this coming week I need to find ways or focus on my hobbies that I've been putting aside, like the canvas painting. I also wanted to paint, like there's a lot of stuff that I needed to paint. I've also a project that I put aside, like my picture frame project. But anyways, I'm talking too much. Yeah, let's head back home and figure out what to do for the rest of the Saturday. Well, I'm here at Dollar Tree. I know I'm supposed to be home, but I can't help it.
For what is worth, with you having